How very autumnal watching a BMW skip through the leaves.
Ridden by a duck-billed platypus.
The lesser spotted GS wanker in his natural habitat.
Aye, what's this in the road?
Oh.
On your my map.
Yeah.
It's either a big bag of dog poo, a very big bag.
GS wanker poo.
I think when my back wheels skipped out 3 times on that in the Lake District, I think it was a mixture of wet mud and bloody leaves there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I might need to stop for a faff at some point.
Oh, it's always you, isn't it?
Because again, I forgot completely to change my preload setting to just rider, but it's not a problem. It's just something I forgot to do. I meant to do it on the way down and forgot.
And I need to drop the back ass end of my seat. I always have the seat set high at the front, low at the back setting of the rider's seat. Because if you have it high, I find it makes me slide forward a bit. Right. Snuggles my nutsack right up against the tank.
You see, you don't have this problem on most bikes, because most bikes don't have adjustable seats.
This isn't just any old bike.
No.
This is a BMW bike. Cool.
Well, I shall have you know that I have an adjustable seat.
Have you?
Yes.
You fucking show off. No, you've got different cushions on it, that's all.
Yeah, but I haven't got front and back adjustable. Mine just goes up and down together. Yeah. So it's always parallel.
Yeah, I'll pull in the entrance here because it's only and I'm going to go round and loop. Yeah, that's something they've dumped there.
Oh, nice.
This is the old Enterprise Park, but yeah, next one along is a gypsy campsite, like a permanent camp for them.
Oh no, it is set to rider.
Hang on.
He's a isn't he?
All good.
I said, Steve.
You can say that again.
I just wanted to pull my earplugs out a bit, but no better.
How you finding them earplugs? Pardon?
I just took them out
In his
completely.
ears.
Why?
That good.
They're brilliant.
Don't you like them?
Well, I've got you turned up to maximum.
You probably shoved them in too far.
Well, I'll try again later. They're in my pocket now.
You didn't use that little plastic tool for poking them in there, did you? That comes with them.
Yeah.
Oh no, don't, because that makes them hang out your arsehole. It shoves them in so far. I don't. I just pull the top of me bloody ear hole and then just push them in. I find if you use that
next time.
If you use that inserting tool, it shoves them in your ear way too fucking far, and then you have trouble getting them out.
But the whole concept of someone who's hard of hearing wearing earplugs.
I know.
It's like a blind man wearing sunglasses.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm ready. Yeah.
Oh, what were you gonna keep that fucking secret?
It was better when I couldn't bloody hear you, no sense.
Yeah.
Right. I want for my rear-facing camera, when we go over the blind summit, I want you to get airborne.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't want to get airborne, but Nigel wants us to get airborne.
Yeah, I want it on the camera. Oi, I got a leaf. There's a gypsy encampment. Look at it, look. Woohoo!
Hey!
Yeah, I think Steve's caster's come off the ground then. Church just down the road for you, Nige.
Lovely.
And repent all your sins.
I'd piss them off out here and have me drone up every day. Yeah, lovely old place, isn't it, that?
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful, isn't it?
Very religious looking, though.
Yeah, I don't know if they tolerate you just walking through the street swearing at the top of your voice.
Apparently, the congregation go there every Sunday religiously.
Boom, boom.
Argue with the big tank of a GS.
Yeah, he's got spotlights, don't you know?
Cheap Chinese spotlights, I'll have you know. Do you know what though? I ordered them from Shenzhen Chuate, and they arrived in this country within 6 days.
I'll tell you what, Steve.
Brilliant, isn't it?
His bike is looking more and more like Pee Wee Herman's bicycle.
There, Gert rolled a cable there.
There is, yeah.
Ooh, that's a couple of quid's worth.
Yeah, I'll bet.
It might be thick enough to take all the power he's drawing.
I'm alright now, I've got a Thunderbox.
Look at you.
Just call me Captain Thunderbox.
Yeah.
Trouble is, when I said to him buy a Thunderbox, he bought a shitter.
Yeah.
He's
There's
still
a man
managed to
in
get
a
under the
hole,
seat,
a man
though.
in a hole.
No, he's a dwarf.
Yes.
Right, we were coming, here's a little story. Me and the bin man, I was driving. We came flying out through here on a job, so we're on blue lights and sirens.
Yeah.
And we got to about here, and I start feeling this judder on the steering wheel. And I thought, oh, what the feckin' hell's that? So, being not scared and it's not mine, I don't care if I crash it. We kept going at a great rate of knots. Still batting on through here. And I said to the bin man, it's getting worse. I said, I'm going to have to pull over in the pub car park up here. So we pulled into the old Thimble Inn and went in the car park. And we both got out, and then I said to Ash, just jump up and swing the steering over full lock that way and then over that way. So did it that way. I thought that's fine. So I went over the other side. Now let's swing it that way, which he did. Do you know what? On the wishbone setup, on all the suspension, you know the big main bolt that goes through?
Yeah.
That fucker had one thread left of the actual on the bolt. It was almost out.
So a little bit loose.
God,
Bloody hell.
that had just come back from the main dealer Mercedes because one of the lads decided to park it in the side of a fucking Volkswagen Polo.
Yeah.
At Red Light
Convenient.
Crossroads, yeah. So it had a whole new front end put on it. So it had come back from the Mercedes dealership, and they either hadn't done it up or they hadn't put the nut on the bottom.
That's bad, isn't it?
So of course
That's
we're
really
flying
bad.
along. Yeah, you imagine if that had come out, I'd have probably buried it in somebody's fucking living room.
Yeah.
Morning.
Milk 2 sugars.
Look at this. They're very patriotic through here, aren't they? All the
Racist.
Union Jacks and the St George's flags. Steve dying back now.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to stop for that doesn't need adjusting?
No, you're fine. That's the faffage done for today. We're going to have a faff-free day now.
Don't you believe
Oh.
it? Don't you believe it? We'll have to stop in.
Most people stop for fuel and a drink. We have to stop for a faff.
Got to be done.
I mean, there's so much Chinese stuff on that bike that they're going to open an embassy in the top box, I reckon.
It's like a German-Chinese hybrid now, isn't it? That's the 5th time that my key has said, key not in range.
Have you not changed the battery?
No.
No.
Says I got 50%, I'm getting me money's worth.
But, you know, to be fair, Noise, that battery is 20 years old when you put it in there.
Don't matter, it says it's got 50%.
I did some strimming last weekend and got the obligatory fucking bit in the eye. And I could, so I went to the mirror and I could see it there, and I thought, right, I'll just dab it, and I had to lift the bottom eyelid away, and it fell down inside there. I thought, oh, for fuck's sake!
Yeah, I did a bit of strimming this week, all 3 days of it.
Did you?
Yeah. Surprising how long it takes to trim 17 acres.
I was going to say,
Yeah.
fucking bit bigger than my garden. You want to ride on mower?
We have, but you've got to trim around the units and the trees and everything.
Yeah, go.
But, well, we were herding that sheep the week before last. We had half a dozen sheep on park again. But yeah, I come home from work last night and I still had to cut my own bloody grass.
Bastards.
Yeah.
Well, when I live on park, see, I look around me and everything looks nice, and I go out for a fag and it's not, mine's about 6 inches long. It's like, oh yeah, okay.
I remember them days when I used to be able to grow 6 inches long.
Yeah. I thought you were going to... Remember those days when you come home from work?
I try not to remember that.
That's a distant memory. He's blocked most of that out.
I can see two very bright, cheap Chinese spotlight reflections in the back of the Hyundai.
So I could live out here.
Well, there's plenty of grass for you to mow.
Yeah.
Have some of that. Hyundai. You are rather clear.
Are we?
You are. Still clear. And still clear. Clear, clear, clear.
Oh my.
I wonder if the deer will be out. I've whacked the 360 on in case the deer are there.
The last time I came through, there was a whole gaggle of them.
Where?
A gaggle of deer.
Gaggle of deer.
Yes.
I don't think that's the technical term.
A bit
No,
like a
it's
gaggle
bird.
of geese, but they look like deer.
Yeah,
I believe it's called a herd.
it is.
It ain't called fuck all today because they ain't there.
No, they're probably all in the
So
road.
be patient. Be
I reckon
patient.
They dirty stags have gotten bent over some log somewhere. Yeah, nothing in there, is there?
No.
Oh, there's a couple under the tree. See them?
Yeah.
Oh
That's a
yeah,
pile
there's
of
a
logs.
little, there's
There
a
they
little,
are.
there you go, look here, look, loads of
There
them.
they are.
He's a horny fucker.
Hey, they like the Hondas.
Yeah. They're all youngsters, aren't they?
They thought, what's that fucking Victorian ditch pump doing going through?
You've upset him now, he's gone.
Yeah. He said, fuck you. I've had enough.
You've got the rope, I'm off.
Yeah. My football, I'm taking it home.
Nick will think he's going to work in a minute.
I know.
I was just wondering if you were taking him back there this morning. Off you go, Nick.
Yeah.
Surprise.
Yeah. Yeah,
I'd
half
like
past
to
10,
know.
we're still open.
I like these bits of road.
Now, there's a hole in the hedge here. There.
Oh, yeah.
That's where the new lad in the design office put his car in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Now, this is a dodgy road. You get quite a few accidents up round here.
Yeah. Probably
It's a
be a
quick
few
one,
more
though, isn't it?
time we fucking finish with them.
Yeah, usually just up here at Spire Hill. There was a lad, I think he was in his 20s, he died a few months back.
Oh, crikey.
I think he hit a tree in his BMW. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
don't be a fucking retard. You see him, he thought about coming out,
He did.
and then he saw the power of the Chinese cheap spotlights.
He saw those boss-eye lights and thought, what the fuck is that?
He thought
Oh.
there's Nigel's daughter's dog coming.
We'll have to call him Clarence now, won't we?
I'm going to try and get a photo of him later with his eyes, showing his eyes at fucking 10 to 2. And then I'm going to say in me video, this is how I've set my spotlights up. Is that Steve behind you, Nick, or is that somebody waving a candle 14 miles back?
Yeah. I thought it was a yellow carrier bag.
Shit in the road.
No, you're wearing that, Nick.
Yeah, quite. Yeah.
You got yours with you, Steve?
Well, it's brighter than your headlight.
I can't argue with that.
Have you got your high vis with you, Steve?
I don't know.
Oh, I was going to say, perhaps we should have got all high-vised up. We should have put them on to go in with the IAMs up this morning. Oh, wankers! Yeah, look at this gaff, look. Isn't that fucking lovely?
It is, isn't it?
Bloody hell. You got expensive taste, haven't you?
I mean, look, that's just a fucking...
It's an old mill, isn't it?
It's not
That
even
one?
that...
See,
not
he's strimming.
Yeah.
Don't get jealous.
No?
Yes. He'll get withdrawal symptoms.
Yeah. You go over and start wrestling it off him.
He'll be getting all horny going, oh, I wonder how
Why
thick...
would I be jealous? I get paid for it.
Oh, I wonder how thick his twine is. Oh, look. That's rather a row of neat trees. Look at that gaff in front, look. Oh, look at the motors in the drive. Fucking great Porsche 4x4 and a big fucking soft top Jag.
Beautiful, isn't it?
You obviously got a few bob. And of course
Looks
they've
lovely,
converted
that ivy on that.
the old
Right, looks
Virginia
lovely,
Creeper.
Yeah, well, it looks lovely, doesn't it? But it's eating into the pointing.
It is.
I'm sad, aren't I?
Yeah, no, you're
all
right.
all I can see is work.
Yeah. Hanging a right as we go round to the left.
Yeah.
Rightio.
Ooh, well, I don't know what that is on that bend, but it looks a bit greasy.
Yeah, it looked a bit
Oh, it
diesely.
does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
It's a lovely switch.
I used to cane the ass off my little Bilingo van coming up here. When I was delivering the drugs, when I was waiting for my shoulder op, they wouldn't let me carry patients in case I dropped them. So I would do all the drug deliveries and that.
Right.
And I had a little Bilingo van. I used to cane the shit out of it.
See, this explains so much, doesn't it? That Nigel was doing drug deliveries.
Yeah. I'm doing the drugs. Fucking drug dealer.
At least he had sense to have a Berlingo, not a Range Rover.
Here's your package, well, madam. It looks like a fucking mouse has been at it. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Careful.
See, fucking saw them Chinese spotlights and shit himself.
That's what it was. Well, the left one was looking him straight in the eye, wasn't it?
I haven't got a clue where the right one was looking.
Is this the gaff with all the silly fucking... Yeah, look, on the right.
Oh, nice.
All this silly fucking... Look at that, look.
Yes.
House like a big
fairy
boat.
huts.
It's very strange. Very colourful.
Yeah. Are there any missing children around here?
Wonder where they might be.
Mind that, there's a van coming as you're going to pass that open door. We pass a house in a minute on the left. Absolutely fucking gorgeous. It's God knows what it costs, but I mean it must be bloody gorgeous in there.
Are you an estate agent on the side?
Well, it's just all these people he sold drugs to.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.